But that's a good question. How do you charge? A little before CES, we actually sent a really cool product. Now this is the Glo Lit. The Glo Lit is a device you put in your mouth, and then using that in the paste, the whitening paste, you're able to actually lighten the shades of your teeth, therefore bringing it to a more clear, wider design. Now, a lot of us have been using masks because of this pandemic, so a lot of people haven't seen our smiles. So this actually creates a couple scenarios. One, you might have laxed a little bit in your dental care, or you maybe can't even go to a dentist. So there's a lot of issues going on there. And two, people haven't seen your smile in a while. So you don't have to worry about if you whiten it, people are going to notice a difference. So this is actually the perfect time to get a hold of a system like this, and that way you can make yourself feel a little bit more confident once the masks are all going down. Now this device actually connects to your phone through Bluetooth, allowing you to know when you basically done your right regimens or when you've taken care of things. This item is actually available on like really cool sites like Sephora, as well as through Glo themselves. So let's open up the Glo Lit and see what's inside. Alright, so the box is pretty straightforward. It's got your little canisters of the solution you use to whiten your teeth. On top of that, you have actually a lip care product, which is really nice. And then this is the device. This is actually the thing you're going to use. You keep it charged. And then this should be the mouthpiece. See, it's right here. It's actually nice to keep this little kit because the really cool thing about this is that it's able to kind of like dry naturally without trapping moisture with little vent holes there. And this item is going to go inside your mouth. So you control it with this device here, being able to activate it and meet your regimen. It's not charged now. Oh, they even include a little nice little bag to put it inside of when you're not using it. The cap just easily removes when it's time to recharge this thing up, so you can use it multiple times. And then they even give you a really cool shade guide. This is a way to basically tell what shade your teeth are, and then to keep track of the progress as you are whitening your teeth. Now we're going to actually use this a little bit longer. We're actually going to try this out and apply this and see how it comes. Take some really up-close pictures that I feel a little self-conscious about, but that's the whole point of this. We're trying to make ourselves feel less self-conscious. They actually gave us an extra pack to make it so we can have more trial of this to actually get the use of it. So down the line, we're going to have another article talking about how actually effective this item was in use. So keep your eyes peeled on our website. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Keep your eyes peeled for more videos from our website. We'll see you guys next time.